My next tip, and this is something that a lot of people are hesitant about, is to consider going digital. I'm a paper person myself, and I subscribe to 2 newspapers. One I get in paper format and one I read online, and I enjoy both of them. I used to subscribe to more magazines, but I found that I didn't have time to read them all. So now I subscribe to only 2. And if I want to read any of the others, I can log into my library account, which I find I don't do, and I haven't really missed it. When you order things online, you get a receipt via email usually. And think about saving those digitally if they're tax related rather than printing them out. If you do save it digitally in your email program, make sure that your email program is backed up or save them separately on your computer. And anything that you save for tax purposes, if it's on your computer, that's only 1 copy. You want to have redundancy. You want to have, I prefer 2 backup copies. I back up to an external hard drive, and I also back up to an offsite. I use carbonite.com and back up to the cloud. I've gone almost completely digital for my financial stuff. All of my bank and credit card statements, I've opted out of paperless. And when you do that, it saves you a lot of paper. You don't have to file it. You don't have to keep it. But what you do want to do is when they send you that email message that says your bank statement's ready, your credit card statement's ready, go online, download it. Again, make sure you've got the duplicate backups. And you can even use the online statement to reconcile your checking account. I'm self-employed and work out of my home, so I deduct my utility bills. It's the same thing. I don't get them in paper. I get an email when they're ready. Now, for tax returns, a lot of accountants now say to keep your tax return forever, along with the 1099s, 1098s, and all those other things that come in the mail in January. It takes up a lot of room. My accountant has started giving me digital copies of my tax return. She sends me a secure link where I can log in and download it onto my own computer. And again, I back it up on an external hard drive and offsite in the cloud. The same with the 1099s. You can indicate to if you're taking money from your retirement account, you get a 1099 at the end of the year. You can ask to be paperless. The same with your mortgage statement, any of those. So think about going digitally because it saves paper. I've killed a lot of trees in my time and I'm trying to do my bit not to do more. It saves space, it saves effort. It's a lot easier to keep digital documents than the paper copies.